Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x squared minus x multiplied with e to the power of negative x over x plus 2016 multiplied with e to the power of x dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to divide of e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to add about 2016 e to the power of, this is about 2016 of e to the power of negative s minus s multiplied with e to the power of negative s. So it means we need to minus e to the power of negative s plus s multiplied with e to the power of negative s. Next, we need to divide this integral into two integrals. The first one the second one. So I go to the first integral in here. In this situation, I need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals for this one du equal to e to the power of negative s minus s multiplied with e to the power of negative s ds. So now we need to change this integral. About this one, we got about u on the numerator. You got about du, and you can get about 2016 multiplied with ln is about natural log of u, and we put about c. About u, we need to put this back in here. Now I go to the second one. We need to do factorization in here. So this should be about s multiplied with this one, and you got about s minus 1. For this one, we have e to the power of negative s. So now we get about the factor in here. That's about e to the power of negative s minus 1. So this one divide this one, and now you just have only this one in here. Now we have about e to the power of negative s multiplied with s, and you have the negative e to the power of negative s. If we put the negative outside the integral, you will get about this one go to the positive, and the next one you will go about the negative. We apply about rodent chain. So if we look carefully, then we do first the derivative of s, later that they will do first the derivative of this one. So that should be like this. So now we can get the final answer. That should be about s multiplied with e to the power of negative s, and we will about c. Now we compile the answer. And this is the final answer of the question. That's the end. Thank you for watching.